system. So we're just gonna kind of go over the main parts today. And this is just kind of a, you can follow along, use it as a study guide or whatever, we won't go over all of it today, but. So the three main parts are the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. Okay, so the first part is the blood. And you can't really see over here, but the red blood cells are, so this kind of shows the components of how much, like if you take a drop of blood, how much is in the heart. So the first part is the red blood cells, and that's kind of this part of the whole tube. And the red blood cells carry oxygen and carbon dioxide to and from the cells throughout the body. And then the white blood cells are a really little portion right in here, so there's a very small amount compared to the red blood cells. And the white blood cells' job is to, they work kind of with the immune system, so they're fighting off infection and cancer cells. And then the platelets, that's another kind of really small little line right there. And that's in charge of clotting the blood, so when you get a cut or a wound or anything, so you're not just spewing out blood, obviously, it stops the bleeding. And then the plasma, that's kind of the biggest portion right here, and that's the liquid part of blood. Alright, so the blood vessels are the arteries, the veins, and the capillaries. The arteries, that carries blood away from the heart, so that's an easy way to remember it. Arteries carry away. And they branch into capillaries, which are really, really small blood vessels. And then the veins carry the blood back to the heart from the tissues in the body. And usually when you see diagrams like this, the arteries are in red and the veins are in blue, which this diagram on the back would be a lot easier if it were in color. So these are kind of your major arteries and veins. You can kind of fill it out. I don't know, I'm sure you have a better image for them when they actually have to do it. It's kind of hard to see. But you can see kind of how some of them are named, like the femoral vein. Why do you think they call it the femoral? Right. And like the brachial artery, kind of the same thing. Abdominal, aortic artery, it's in the abdomen. Are there any other ones that aren't on there that you want them to know?
We'll get to that, yeah.
Anything else you want them to know about the main parts? We'll get into the heart.